Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login It. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Simplii Financial app not working. So if your Simplii Financial app is not working, you need to follow these simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So basically, there are two ways through which you can fix this problem. The first way is to update your app. So simply go to Play Store, tap on the search icon that is at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the search bar and search for Simplii Financial app. Now open Simplii Financial. Here you can see two options, uninstall and open. If your app is not updated, instead of open you will see update option. All you have to do is tap on update option. My app is already updated, so I'll not have to do it. But if your app is not updated, make sure to update the app. So the next way through which you can fix this problem is to clear cache of the app. For this, simply go to your phone settings, scroll down and find storage. Tap on storage option. Now here you can see several options like apps, system, trash, videos, etc. Tap on apps option. Now find the app Simplii Financial. Now tap on the Simplii app. And here you can see option for clear storage and clear cache. You'll have to tap on the clear cache option. My cache is already cleared, so this option is not enabled. But if your cache is not cleared, this option will be enabled and you'll have to tap on it. So that is how you fix Simplii Financial app not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.